Assalamu alaikum. Any questions, please? Dr. Mujibur Haq Sahib.
Assalamu alaikum. At Huzur's instigation, tomorrow, Khuddam and possibly some Ansar
yes, inshallah,
will be doing some 26-mile walk towards Islamabad, inshallah. Yes. Could you kindly tell us some background of this, sir? People are not very clear about it.
I mean, people do take such excursions, don't they? They make such excursions normally, and Khuddam should also participate in these healthy activities. And there doesn't have to be any other explanation than this. You know, they go for marathon races and things, and Ahmadis should be tougher than the ordinary people living in the same country. In Pakistan, for instance, Jamia Ahmadiyya expects her students, after they have submitted their PhD, to go through some strenuous exercises. Before that, unless they have done it, they will not be given any degree. And the walk is from Rabwa to Sargodha and back. And I think then the race, the running or jogging is between Rabwa and Sargodha. Pardon? नहीं, jog करना, दौड़ के जाना. 26 miles, exactly. That is jogging. But as far as the walk is concerned, it's much longer. From Rabwa to Peshawar, or if you 200, 300 miles, you know, in some direction, with the condition that they cannot carry money, they cannot beg anything, beg anyone for food or anything. But if somebody offers them food, they can expect it. They can go and sleep in the mosques if they please, but they shouldn't even beg for some, lodging place, something. So this they do, and with the grace of Allah, they return successfully whole and alive. Sometimes they have to undergo great hardships. Sometimes they have told me for 24 hours nobody offered them anything, and they had to shift without anything, even just for themselves. So this is a tradition of Jamaat. In Qadian, Jamaat Ahmadiyya participated in all exercises, games and healthy pursuits outstandingly. I mean, there is no comparison between the Jamaat's activities and the activities around or in the country as well. For instance, in most of the games, not most but in some games, the Qadian was outstanding despite its very small population. I mean, what was Qadian as compared to Lahore or even Amritsar? There is no comparison in population and resources. But the Qadian football teams used to defeat Khalsa College Lahore and also colleges of Khalsa College Amritsar and some colleges of Lahore. And the Rabwa hockey team used to defeat the entire Punjab team. Qadian the hockey team, not Rabwa, yes. And in swimming too, we produced some champions. In cycling, we produced Indian champion, Asian champion. And as far as shooting and games are concerned, I mean bird games, almost every adult person of Qadian was a sort of shikari. If he didn't own a gun, he would have a huler, a catapult, or he would go for fishing. So because Qadian discouraged unhealthy pursuits, luxurious pursuits, so there had to be a natural vent. And this was it. Because there was no cinema, no theatre, nothing, no nightclub and things. So man must live with some pleasure. So if you obstruct one passage and other passage is opened, which is healthier with the grace of Allah. So this is why it was directed. Now here in England, it is even more necessary, because the players offered to the Ahmadiyya youth here are out of proportion much more and more hazardous and dangerous than the small players which could be available to Qadiani population. So this is why I started it. I wanted Khuddam to participate in ordinary healthy pursuits, in games, in shooting, in karate, these things. So they would keep them fit, they will be better equipped to serve the cause of Ahmadiyya, and also it's their right to have some source of pleasure, and this provides a very good pleasure.
There was a question about this.
Go first to the microphone, please. First go to the microphone, first ask for permission for this, go to the microphone and then address me, right? Yes, please, please, yes.
There was a talk about this exercise, and some people criticized it. But I told them that in every army there is an endurance test, and that is normally 30 miles walk, and that is a precondition before the passing out parade. So you are the God's army, and if you take up this exercise of 26 miles walk, certainly you will be befitting yourself and equipping yourself with the necessary vigor required for you.
Right.
So they were satisfied.
But I think the criticism might be very small, because
Very small.
the response was very generous and forthcoming. I didn't expect that more than 100 people, 100 youth from England would participate in this. I think there are more than 100 now they are participating. 124. And Ansar and over and above this, some Ansar have insisted and participated, and also some Atfal, the children, have insisted that we must also participate. So the response here is very encouraging.
And the trend is so useful for the future of Ahmadiyyas in that particular area, where they have to establish their name, fame and everything.
Yes, please. And you are also a young Ansar, aren't you? How old are you?
76 and a half.
No, 76. You should take draw lesson from him. He was once our missionary in Hungary, and I sent him on a mission to Hungary this time, and he went and fished out the old contacts, and he was surprised to find those people who were younger than him when he was there, looking much older than he was now. So I encouraged them and told them, look, be brave and feel young about it. Why have you grown old? Look at me, I'm doing the work very well. So with the grace of Allah, he performed his mission wonderfully, beautifully, and traced back some very old contexts which will inshallah be very useful to our preaching in Hungary now. Also in Poland he did very well. Nobody could imagine that by looking at him that he is 78. Cheema Sahab, how old are you?
I'm 69 now.
See? And you look older than he is. Don't you? Only in one thing you are younger. You still intend to marry. There was one, in old days, Ahmadis were very tough, in fact. And because of these exercises, their interest in games and things, and shikar, they used to walk miles and